Welcome to Hexagon Geospatial e-training. Our topic, turning a spatial model into a button on the ERDAS Imagine ribbon. In this module, we'll see how to make a simple customization of the ribbon interface to add a new button associated with a spatial model. When the button is used, it will launch a dialog to provide inputs to the model and then execute it. The model in our example was previously built using port input operators to prompt for all necessary input parameters. We'll now customize the ribbon to assist in the launching process. First, from the Model group on the Spatial Modeler tab, I'll click Processing Properties to open the dialog. I'll go to the Operator Info tab and ensure that Name, Display Name, and Description have been provided. These will be used to provide a name and bubble help for the button I'm going to add to the interface. Also, I'll select a .ico format icon to represent the process on the ribbon. Here I'll use an existing icon, multispectral.ico, but any ICO icon can be used, including one that I created myself. I'll click OK to the processing properties, and then I'll save and close the spatial model. Now we'll see how to add the button to the ribbon. I'll start by activating the Toolbox tab. This is where I want to add the button, and it's useful to see the customization happen as I create it. I'll right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. In this dialog, I'll identify the tab into which I'll place the new button. Here I'll use the existing Toolbox tab, but I could create a brand new tab being populated with a customized workflow. I'll expand the Toolbox sub-branch and select the group into which the button will be inserted. Here, we'll place it into the existing Common group. Now I'll right-click over the Common group and select Add Button. Now I'll use the File Chooser to locate and select the spatial model file and click OK. Notice the button has already been added to the Custom Ribbon dialog and to the ribbon. In the dialog box, I can right-click over the added button to see the display options. We'll use the default, icon with caption below. Now I can close the Customize Ribbon dialog. On the Toolbox tab, note that your new button is available with bubble help. I can click it to launch the input selection dialog that was configured into the model. When the dialog launches, if needed, I can make changes or use the predefined parameters. Then I can either run it to produce an output file or click Preview for real-time processing. Once the image is in a viewer, we can use additional options, such as the image chain, to change display modes to enhance the data. Here, we have emphasized the principal components. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, please visit hexagongeospatial.com/e-training.